Hello ladies, good morning. Once again, how are you? I have another unboxing video about this bag. It's a Louis Vuitton bag that I purchased at pre-vlog, but in almost brand new condition. So let's do the unboxing of this video. So this is a very great bag. It's an iconic bag from the collection of Louis Vuitton, and let's start unboxing it. It's Louis Vuitton. As you can see, this is small size bag, and let's see what's inside. Wow, ladies, if you want a twist bag in black color in a small size, so this is it. This is a very beautiful bag in twist, Louis Vuitton twist in black color in gold hardware. So as you can see, you need to twist it for you to be able to open it like this, and you can open the bag and you can see inside there's one packet. There's one packet. There's one packet. There's one packet inside here on this side, and another small packet, which this mirror, which is inside of this small packet. I don't know why, but there's a small mirror that was included in here, and there is a care card, and as you can see inside, it's still in a very good condition. There is a suede material inside of this bag, and look at the LV twist here. It's so easily to maneuver it. There's also LV that engraves here, and as you can see on the handle, it's so nicely done with the chain. If you are a fanatic of a gold hardware, this bag is for you, and you want it in a twist, in a PM twist. Maybe this will be beautiful in your sight, but because as for me, it's so beautiful. Look at the side of the strap where the handle is. There's LV engraving, and also with this side. And look at the bag. It's so elegant and classy, and good for evening wear. Good also for special occasions. This is a very classy and iconic bag. You can use it as a crossbody bag, or you can use it as a shoulder strap bag. And one more thing is, if this chain is too long for you, because I am 5'4", you can do this one. You can put the strap, a small portion of the strap inside, and you can use it. You can use as a body bag or a shoulder strap also. But there's one a technique of using this one. You can put the small portion of the chain inside of this bag, so it will be much smaller strap. And see, there's unlike other brands of chain strap, the Vuitton PM twist have this leather strap on the top handle, because sometimes when the bag is full and it's very difficult to carry, and it will go deep into your mouth, so to your skin and muscles, and it's quite painful to use it. But this bag is intended for small things to carry. But at the same time, it's if you really love small bags, then this bag is for you. So guys and ladies, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please like and share my videos, and please comment on the section, and I will be happy to answer your questions, and please share also this video. So thank you very much. Thanks for watching for this quick video. Bye.